Welcome back to Meditation with Rene. My name is Rene. Today, our meditation session will last 5 minutes and we will be covering breathing meditation. I wanted to discuss real quickly body positions. You don't have to sit on the floor at all. Right now, I'm sitting on a stool. I'd prefer a chair. Why? Because it's easier to lean up against the back of the chair. It's just more comfortable, or whatever you prefer. Okay? I hope this helps. So let's begin. Did you know that you can and should meditate anywhere and at any time other than driving? I prefer to meditate in a chair versus the floor. Meditation with Rene. Meditation for everyone. Let's start by closing our eyes and becoming more relaxed in our chair, sitting up with the back straight but comfortable at the same time, breathing in and out through our nose, feeling the sensations on our nose and in our body as we breathe in through the nose and out through the nose, feeling the pressure on our nostrils as we inhale and exhale, bringing our awareness to the present moment and truly understanding what is happening in the body, remembering that it's not the breath that is so important, but we are using the breath as an anchor to maintain our awareness in the present. The breath is important, but our goal is to cultivate awareness. Also remembering not to judge what it is that we are doing, but to focus on cultivating awareness non-judgmentally. Try to become more comfortable with stillness. Try to relax while being unplugged from our devices, mobile phones, the internet, distractions around us. Get to know ourselves with using the breath, maintaining awareness in the present, moment by moment. It won't take long for you to notice and experience while sitting here that our mind and our thoughts will begin to wander. Just because we are carving out time for ourselves and to be mindful and aware does not mean that our mind will agree and focus only on the breath. Very important part is to be non-judgmental. When you notice your thoughts are on something other than our breath, it's okay to then acknowledge it and then calmly bring our focus or attention back to the breath. It's completely natural. The only important part that you must remember is to not judge yourself negatively, be hard on yourself, because this is a part of the process. Go ahead and begin to open your eyes. This concludes our meditation session for today. Good job. Enjoy the rest of your day.